Welcome back to Tap Tech, where we analyze the authentic blueprints of tomorrow's tech. For years, the Apple TV has been an understated player in Apple's ecosystem, reliable, fast, but quietly existing. But 2025 is shaping up to be the year Apple finally stops holding back and unleashes a device that isn't just a streamer, but a genuine smart home and gaming console powerhouse. If you've been waiting for a reason to upgrade your living room experience, or if you're holding off on buying a new gaming console, then stop scrolling right now, because the authentic leaks surrounding the upcoming Apple TV 4K 2025 are nothing short of revolutionary. We're talking about an insane processor, a complete smart home refocus, and features that finally put a camera on your TV. The big question is, when is this happening and what exactly will this console killer bring? Let's break down the most credible information we have. First, the all-important release date. Based on Apple's product cycles, and more importantly, strong whispers from supply chain analysts and reporters who have been right before, the consensus points to a launch in the latter half of 2025. Specific reports are circling a late fall release, likely in the October to December timeframe. This timing aligns perfectly with the rumored release of a new, highly anticipated version of tvOS, which we'll get to in a moment, and a traditional holiday shopping push. Furthermore, recent reports have indicated that stock levels for the current Apple TV 4K model have been fluctuating, a common sign that Apple is clearing inventory in preparation for a new hardware release. So, the wait is almost over, and the device arriving will be far more significant than a minor chip bump. The most critical upgrade is the heart of the machine, the processor. The current Apple TV runs on the A15 Bionic chip, which is still incredibly fast. However, the 2025 model is rumored to leapfrog several generations. The strongest leaks suggest Apple is equipping the new Apple TV with either the A17 Pro or even the A18 chip. Why does this matter? Because the A17 Pro, which debuted in the iPhone 15 Pro, is the first Apple chip built on a 3nm architecture and supports hardware-accelerated ray tracing. This is a game-changer. This isn't just about faster menu scrolling, it's about transforming the Apple TV into a legitimate entry-level gaming console. Imagine playing console-quality, AAA titles like Resident Evil Village or Death Stranding directly on your TV, with graphics fidelity previously thought impossible for a streaming box. The jump to the A17 Pro or A18 is an open declaration that Apple is finally taking gaming seriously on the big screen, positioning the Apple TV 4K 2025 as the affordable, powerhouse gaming option that runs titles optimized for its own proprietary silicon. This immense power also serves another critical purpose: next-generation networking and the smart home. Connectivity is getting a massive overhaul. Authentic leaks suggest the new Apple TV will be one of the first Apple devices to integrate a custom-designed, in-house Apple wireless chip. This new silicon is rumored to bring support for either Wi-Fi 6E or, more likely, the blazing fast Wi-Fi 7 standard. Wi-Fi 7 is designed to handle multiple high-bandwidth streams simultaneously, which is essential for 4K streaming, cloud gaming, and managing dozens of smart home accessories without bottlenecking. This upgrade transforms the Apple TV from just a video streamer into an undisputed central hub for the modern smart home. Further cementing this role, the new model is expected to continue supporting the Thread networking protocol, making it the most future-proof and robust HomeKit hub Apple has ever built. But let's talk about a rumored feature that is generating the most buzz and would fundamentally change how you interact with your TV: the built-in camera. Yes, credible reports from multiple sources have long pointed to Apple developing a combination Apple TV, HomePod, and FaceTime camera device. While a full combo device might be further out, the leaks for the 2025 Apple TV strongly suggest the inclusion of a built-in camera, hidden within the main unit. This camera would enable two major features. First, full-screen FaceTime calls directly on your television, complete with Apple's Center Stage feature to keep you perfectly framed. Second, the camera, combined with the new chip's power, would allow for gesture control. similar to features we've seen teased in other smart home concepts. Imagine pausing a movie with a wave of your hand from across the room. This moves the Apple TV beyond a passive viewing box to an active, interactive family hub. The software experience, tvOS, is also getting a necessary upgrade that demands this new hardware. The next version, potentially tvOS 26, is rumored to feature a massive visual overhaul, with a new design language dubbed Liquid Glass. This redesign is all about dynamic, three-dimensional menus and translucent user interface elements that make navigation feel more fluid and engaging. This isn't a cosmetic change. The processing demands of this sophisticated visual environment, combined with the massive computational requirements of the new Apple Intelligence features, smarter Siri, better personalized recommendations, and contextual follow-up requests, require the sheer muscle of the A17 Pro or A18 chip. This is the authentic reason for the chip upgrade. It's powering the smart, interactive future of the interface. Finally, a quick note on the design and the remote. While the main black box design is rumored to remain largely the same, slightly thinner and smaller, there are persistent rumors of a minor redesign or feature enhancement for the Siri Remote. The biggest pain point for many users is the lack of a proper Find My feature for the remote, which frequently disappears into the couch. Leaks suggest an improved, or more easily trackable, remote, perhaps with a dedicated U1 chip or a small speaker that allows it to be pinged from your iPhone, finally solving a years-long user frustration. So, to summarize the authentic specifications of the rumored Apple TV 4K 2025, a late 2025 launch window, the gaming and AI horsepower of the A17 Pro or A18 chip, next-generation Wi-Fi 7 connectivity, a built-in camera for FaceTime and gesture control, and a completely refreshed operating system ready to utilize the power of Apple Intelligence. This isn't just a refresh, it's Apple's clear play to own the smart living room, blurring the line between a streaming box, a smart hub, and a video game console. Get ready to watch, play, and connect like never before. Stay tuned to Tap Tech for the official announcement and our full breakdown once it drops. Thanks for watching this Tap Tech deep dive. Hit that like button and subscribe for more exclusive tech news.